All right. Nugasumo Kuri. Okay. No, anyway. Bum, bum, bum. All right, let's go through this. This is made a big jump today. I think I have Foxtrot down enough that I can fix the rest of it in formatting. Actually, I can just finish this right now because this is an easy one. It's foot placement, guys. It's not something fancy. So this would be for the leader, left foot back. Right foot goes forward. Nothing fancy. Left foot goes to the side. And right foot. There we go. Dun, 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 dun. The trick about this one is the only way to do exact foot positions is right here on the instructor certification. The toe heel toe. You're gonna do a full pivot action on the first toe. You use your heel to do the break, and then you use this toe, this rolling out action. So you pivot and then bring your weight down, push it into the heel, and then get ready to push it back up again because you're getting ready to either do a drive if you're doing pivots, or you're getting ready to do a chassé, which means you're getting ready to come out of it. So you need to be up on your toes. So if you do exactly this, if you do a max turn with exact foot placements, I promise you one thing is you will be doing a pivot around the floor with no problem. So here we go. Here's the full syllabus. It'll be videoed. I've got a couple minutes before it gets 5 minutes. Okay, all right, so we did this before. This is a breakdown on how to read everything. I'm putting more notes over here and things like that to help out. It's self-explanatory. All right, so for the step count, pretty much on step one, you just do what it says. So here's your basic forward. Anytime to save space, anything where the lady's a natural opposite of. So if it's left foot forward, right foot forward for the leader, then it'll be right foot backwards, left foot backwards. Okay, so a natural opposite. So most of these should not be a problem. I don't need to do a full other list for something that's a natural opposite. Here, I'm going to make a note of this one. Call it an emergency step for a reason. Sometimes somebody's in your way and you don't really want to turn, so it'll be a really flat foot and you push back off of it to get out of the way, so it becomes a backward step, not a rock step. So it kind of socially it's a rock step. Who cares? If they want to do a fancy turn, then you do the heel toe action. But for social, let's not. Who cares? It's social. Have fun. All right. Promenade gets into the CBMP, which if you don't know what that is, well, we've had videos on it. You're going to have to find somebody to help you understand the difference between CBM, CBMP. And where did I put all that? Did I put it somewhere else? Oh, wait a minute. I wonder. I think something happened to all my work. I just did. Yeah, I did. I had a whole bunch of stuff here, and I accidentally deleted it when I moved something. Oh, bummer. Okay, well I had the all the terms down, so I'll have to come back with that again. So I accidentally got rid of all that. So welcome to formatting from scratch, guys. But we go over all the alignments and things like that. So basically, what all these things mean. It was just the terms. So all right, well there you go. There's your Foxtrot steps. You do these with our video work on how to hold your frame. I'm going to go slow like this so you can pause it anytime that you want. And that should get you on the floor dancing pretty much any social Foxtrot. Best of luck.